He does a certain voice. A certain voice. He's a butler. So, please welcome to stage, CDawg!
I think you have a few fans over here.
Hello. Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Okay, thank you. Most of you guys know me for what exactly? YouTube! What do I do on YouTube?
Do the voice.
The voice? What voice?
Smash your voice.
My,
Do it.
this is... Yes. Oh. Hi. Hello. Has anyone told you you have nice ears? Oh my god, do I really sound like that? Sadly, I suppose you do. But I don't really know what else to say. This is awkward. This is very awkward. Should I just say the catchphrase, possibly? Yes? If you don't, I'm afraid of what she'll do. Yes. Can someone get security over there, possibly? She is security. So I think I should end with saying I am simply one hell of a butler. Wait. Don't end yet. Wait, come. Can you sit in my lap? Can you just sit in my lap for a second? What do I want for Christmas? So count of three. Count of three. Can we both say the catchphrase at the same time? All right.
Wait. Get your cameras out.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
This is gonna come back to haunt me. Oh God. Mom, if you're watching, hi.
I made it.
I did it.
I got it, Mommy.
You made it, kid. You're gonna be
Right into Tatum's lap.
Right. That's how you become a voice actor. No. So you do ADR, right? Right. Okay. So someone count us down. Can everyone count us down?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm simply one hell of a butler. Thank you guys for having me. Right. Bye guys.
I love you, CJ. We're gonna hell off my stage.
That's amazing. I'm so impressed. I'm so gonna kill him. I'm killing him after this. I'm taking him out back and slitting his throat.
Because he'll steal your job after that.
Yeah, he's gonna steal my job. Punimation's like, hey.
Okay, you need to work on something.
So Tatum, we love you, but we're kind of sick of you, so we're gonna go with this dude.
Right, Book of Atlantic with real Brits.
To the English.
He's actually...
The what? The key story? Oh yeah, you can say the key story. I did it today. Oh no, you can say it.
Okay. So,
Yes.
in lieu of another question, I feel like everyone here needs to hear the story that I was told last night. The key story. Please tell the audience.
Well, so this is the thing I do. So every now and again, and forgive me if you're sitting in the audience right now, because you might be, because I did it. Was that you?
You already had one.
I had one today. So, do you... No, you were there. Do you want to tell the story?
Yeah. I will set the stage. Be nice. I'll be nice. Be nice. So, I was at a convention.
Are they stupid cute together? Are they not stupid cute together? I think they are. They are.
No, I love you guys. Stick to the question.
Sorry. Hey, you wanted us all here at the same time.
We were at a convention in Victoria, in Canada, and I was working on my laptop at the time. This was way before I started working in this industry, and I was coding on my laptop because I'm a computer programmer as well. And so Michael is sitting to my right, and the line is in front of me, and it was a big college lecture hall. So people walk in, they get his autograph, they walk out. And the line is moving, I'm coding, the line is moving, I'm coding, the line is not moving, I'm coding. I realize, oh, something is different. What is different? Why is it so quiet? And I look up, and there is this girl who's she's got her knuckles right up by her face, and her voice, well, she's not saying anything. All I hear is, she's got like the snot coming down her knuckles,
Shaking violently.
shaking violently. And her boyfriend's there next to her, like, it's okay, it's all right, everything's gonna be fine. I'm like, why don't you get his autograph? Why don't you just walk up to her? And she can't, she's just paralyzed, just and what he does is amazing. Wait, now I'm gonna pass the mic over.
So when I get someone in front of me that's crying, that is, I don't understand it, first of all. Because I'm like, why are you crying? It's just me. I'm the biggest jackass you'll ever meet. Why on earth are you crying?
It's true.
It's very true.
It's true.
And she was like, and this girl, poor thing, was just like, like couldn't even vocalize. And her boyfriend was like, she's a big fan. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. And I was like, so I'm like, you should laugh. You should laugh. There's no crying. There's no crying in anime. Come on, that's fine. And she was still, everything I said was just piercing her in the heart. And she was like, and so I finally just took out my keys and I'm like, which made her just pass out. And her boyfriend was like, thank you, and dragged her away. It was like, that was the weirdest exchange I've ever had.
There's
So
no
now I do
crying
that.
in
So
anime.
that's become my thing. If you cry in front of me, I'll jingle keys, and I got to do it to you. You did not pass out though. You did a much. You held it together.
Can I just say, from this angle, your biceps look huge.
For what do you mean from this angle?
From this angle, your biceps look huge. I'm just
From
saying.
another angle.
Another angle, no.
Right, guys. Before we go on, I just have to say something. We do have another special charity thing going on today.
What?
Woo. Yeah, I know. Before we go on to audience questions, if you donate £5 to the wonderful John down here, you will be entered into a draw. If you are lucky enough to win that draw,
You get to sit in my lap. Is that it?
oh, you wish. You will get to put a pie into this lovely man's face.
I'm down.
Wow, that is crisp. So come down to John right here if you want to be entered into the draw. It will be drawn in not too long. However, for now, I'm going to put the mic out to you guys. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, raise them. If they are stupid, I will shame you.
Publicly.
So any questions, raise your hands, look towards the very scary man. To begin with, let's go for Erin over there. Erin, there we go. I remember your name. Erin over there. She's pink dress, get running. Of course, the next one will have to be over that way because I need to make sure he gets fit for once.
It's not exactly a question, it's just a request. Can you, J. Michael Tatum, confess your love for Annie through Sebastian?
That's a new one.
That's a totally new one.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah. I was like, confess your love for Annie?
Please.
You're so expectant.
I love this. All right.
Yes,
Sorry.
thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a new one.
It's
Kudos
really
to you.
new.
That's a completely new question we've never gotten. Annie, I don't know how to say this, but I've always had a certain fondness for tall women. Could you conceivably think of dating me? Only if you want to.
Well, I am a big fan of the accent. Yes, absolutely.
I chip it.
I want to see her use that ODM gear.
I'm so happy to hear that. I was not expecting that to go in that direction.
I'm sure right now there's like 8 girls in the audience that just like their hearts.
Remember, this is anime, we're not going hentai.
No, I thought she was going to suggest another character that you
Oh, yeah.
confess your love to.
Yeah,
so
yeah. It's just Annie is a new one. Like they've never said, hey, Sebastian and Annie.
Okay, guys, any more questions? Over there, green sleeves, black top.
Green.
Keep your hand up. Wait for the microphone to get to you unless you can shout really loud. Hand up. Down here,
Yeah, raise your
down.
hand.
Keep your hand up. Keep your hand up.
Keep your hand up. Raise your hand.
Wait, like,
He's gonna fall down those stairs.
I am. Yeah, probably.
What's the most awkward thing you've ever had to say? And could you say it in your characters' voices?
I just did it. I don't know. You start. What's the awkward thing you've ever been asked to say in your voice?
okay, so this was a character that I recorded a couple years ago. No, God, like 6 years ago. What am I talking about? Is anybody familiar with Blaze Blue? So, the character that I play, Lychee Feilanger, aka Booby Lady, in that, there's a reason why she's called that. It's a video game, and to this day I don't know what's happening in the scene. I don't. So don't ask me, and I don't know what this means. But the line was, "Juicy party, yay!" I don't know what it means to this day. So someone Google it and find it. No, don't Google it. Save search.
Save your innocence. Don't Google juicy party.
I have no idea what it means to this day. Brandon, what about you?
Me? I'm trying to remember. I think I had to say something about tissues at some point, but I don't recall it very well. It was an actual line as well.
Tissues.
Tissues. Yeah. Except it wasn't a complete line. I remember it being like tissues. Yeah. That's it. That's all it was. And it was very
Brilliant. Love it.
I'm trying to remember what show it was. I don't even remember. It was one of those. It might have been. Yeah, I think it was both. Tissues. Yeah.
All right, Tatum.
I'm pretty sure that was the most awkward line you've ever had to say. Just
Tissues. Yeah.
That's all I heard was tissues.
I think, I'm trying to think, because I've been asked to say some pretty awkward things in every voice. But Sebastian comes up time and again, because it's just, there's a magic to, in America especially, like if you just have a British accent of any kind, people think you're powerful or something.
Well, it's true.
Right, see, we're like, oh my God.
oh, darling, it's very true.
I'm trying, yeah, it's whenever people ask me to like marry them in Sebastian's voice or something, or we're like, hey, would you say like confess your undying love to me and like marry me, and you can tell it's real to them, like they're like it's like France going, just sign it, just sign up here. It's like the same thing. I think the most awkward thing I can't say the most awkward thing I've ever had to say, but what? I didn't have to say anything in the course of that scene. Which is great. In the nun scene, I didn't have to say anything either. That was a different awkwardness.
It was mainly sound effects.
Yeah, different set of skills. I can't think of anything awkward. I also have a very, very high threshold for awkward.
Right, yeah.
So, like, I'll be like, well, that one time. So nothing really stands out. Tissues. Tissues. I mean, having to call Vic Mignogna daddy. And Kyoyo, as Kyoyo's voice was a good one. That took us like 18 takes. Which is a lot, by the way.
Can you do it?
Well, the line is just like, what is it now, Daddy? And I kept, well, because they're just nicknames for each other. It's not like a romantic thing. But I didn't know. Caitlin was like, no, you're making that sound too sexy. We need it again. Because I was coming in like, what is it now, Daddy? And she'd be like, and the first time we did, Caitlin cracked up. She's like, no, it's not that kind of show, Tatum. And I'm like, isn't it? We can make it that kind of show. And it's Oron.
It's alright.
They're a host club. You knew what this was. So we did like take after take, because I'm like, how do I say this not sexy? I have no context for how to not say it sexy. So I'm like, what is it now, Daddy? She's like, that's as close as we're gonna get. That's what's going in. That. What is it now, Daddy? Because every time I say it, I just want to be like, what is it now, Daddy? Right?
I love how you just keep saying it. You clearly just enjoyed the line too much.
I do enjoy the line. It's haunted me for 10 years.
Right, moving on.